Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel English World Easy. I hope all of you are doing well and I am also good. My name is Nikita and today I speak some important topic, some important point in improve your English spoken. Okay, and most important topic is most important for spoken English. So guys, I tell to you, I would want to you. I am also beginner, and in my opinion, in within 27 days, in my experience, is reading is very important because because reading improve your pronunciation correct. Okay, you watching my video and you also know my pronunciation something is wrong and something is good. Okay, but daily wise practice, daily wise reading book, novel, newspaper, anything as you like which. Okay, then daily wise reading book practice, after that your pronunciation will be correct one day. Okay, and what is the best tip? Your pronunciation well done, will be well done. I want suggest, first of all, you use Google. Okay, you use Google and you want which what pronunciation right wrong. You, and in my experience you and I am also shocked. A few day, कुछ दिन पहले मैं तोता को पैरट्स बोलती थी, बट इट इज रॉन्ग, बट इट इज रॉन्ग प्रोनाउंसिएशन. ओके, उसको पैरट नहीं पैरट्स कहा जाता है. अगर बहुत सारा तोता हो गया तो उसको पैरट्स कहा जाता है. सो गाइस, I talk to one thing. After reading book, you use Google, and nothing hard. You go to Google app and search which word you don't know, how you don't know this pronounce how. Just like you write parrots, pronunciation only two words writes, and आप उसके बाद वहाँ लिखिएगा. लिखने के बाद आपको वहाँ प्रोनाउंसिएशन वो बोल के बताएगी वो गूगल में. ओके, सो आई वुड want to tell you that's easy tips, best method. Your pronunciation will be correct, and much and more than daily wise reading books, novel, as you wish, as you like. जो भी आपको पसंद है वो रीड कीजिए. And you speak daily wise, you speak not a small, not a slow voice. Okay, loudly, you loudly speak. You also read book loudly, read, then your mouth open and your pronunciation will be right. Okay, and this is my experience. And some things some things I think English word, thinking I English word, but in front of camera I also forgotten some word sentence. What I speak with sentence I forgot it, but it's easy for daily wise practice. It will be easy for daily wise practices, you know. Practice is very important for spoken English, and your improve your spoken English communication skills. That is very important. So guys, I hope this video is helpful for all of us, and don't forgive and believe in yourself. That's one day I speak. Okay guys, so guys, that's all. Thank you for watching my video.